Hello, today we will guide you through how to connect OBS to Google Meet. To begin, open your browser and go to Google Meet. From the search results, click the official Google Meet page and sign into your Google account if you are not already logged in. Once you arrive at the Google Meet home screen, look for the New Meeting button and click it. From here, you can choose Instant Meeting, or join a meeting another way if that is what you need. For this walkthrough, either option works because the goal is simply to get into a meeting where you can change your camera source. Once you are inside the meeting, pause for a moment and make sure OBS is already set up the way you want. In other words, prepare your scene, sources, layout, and anything else you want people in the meeting to see. This is important because Google Meet will use whatever OBS is outputting through its virtual camera. After your OBS setup is ready, return to your Google Meet window. In the meeting controls, find the 3 vertical dots near the bottom area of the screen. Click those dots to open the More Options menu. This menu gives you access to several meeting settings, including the device options you need for video input. Next, click Settings in the expanded menu. When the Settings panel opens, select the Video section. This is where Google Meet lets you choose which camera it should use during the meeting. Now click the Camera drop-down menu. You should see a list of available camera devices connected to your computer. From that list, choose OBS Virtual Camera. As soon as you select it, Google Meet should switch from your normal webcam feed to the video coming from OBS. If you do not see OBS Virtual Camera right away, make sure OBS is open and that the Virtual Camera feature is enabled in OBS before returning to Google Meet. Then check the camera list again. Once OBS Virtual Camera is selected and your preview looks correct, you are all set. Finally, close the Settings panel. Your Google Meet session should now be using OBS as the video source. That means everyone in the meeting will see the scene you created in OBS instead of your standard camera feed. And that's it. You have successfully connected OBS to Google Meet.